Welcome back. I have tried looking to see if anybody has put together a video showing how to remove these A-pillar handles in the refreshed modeled Silverados. That's with the larger dash there. So I will walk you through the steps that I took to take this out. Stick around. The first step in this process is to remove these covers, and it's best to look at how these are put together. So they're held in with just a little plastic clip here on this side, and the metal clip that's in the A-pillar. So it's easiest if you kind of pry from the top, in this case, to undo that tab and then gently pull to get the metal piece off on the top one. The lower one, that tab is in the lower right. And then again, get that out, pry it out, use a plastic tool so that you don't scar things up. Pull that corner out, and then you can gently pull to release this metal clip here. Then you'll want to go ahead and remove these two screws, and these are just 10mm bolts. There's two of them. Then we can go on to the next step. So go ahead and pull on this. There should be a clip up here on the top. I have some other tools, but I'm just gonna wiggle my finger in there. Pull it straight out. And then the bottom should just pull right up. There it comes. These are held in with these metal clips. You can see them here. There's just the one at the top. And so you'll need to take a pair of pliers to grab the middle and pull that back out. And then the bottom is just held in with a little tab. And that's all there is to take out the A-pillar. I just use a small pair of pliers like this to grab those two tabs and slide it out. That's all there is to it. Installation is just reversed by placing this clip onto the plastic tab right here. The installation of the A-pillar is in reverse order. Before you do, make sure that this clip is back on, and then go ahead and put it in the slot where it's supposed to go, here. Then install the two 10mm nuts. replace the trim pieces. The process is the same for both sides. Thanks for watching.